We can also add tracks and sponsors to your event to allow for advanced configuration of online events using Odoo. For that, we go to our system and we look for the advanced event management module. We install it, and now we have the opportunity to fine-tune our event by specifying sponsors, tracks, and so on. As soon as we have installed it, we can go to the marketing menu, create a new event or open an existing one. Let's click on marketing, event. We will open the existing one and edit it. We can notice here new fields and others menus such as tracks and sponsorships. Let's create a sponsor for this event. We'll say Odoo and create one. We can provide a website and we can assign a sponsorship type. We can create a new sponsor, let's say Trends Magazine, and create, and assign him the gold type 2. We can now create tracks. Let's create 3 different tracks. The first one will be introduction speech, which will be given by John Doe. We create him. In which location? Let's say in the main hall, and we create that location. The day will be on the 17th. Let's set the hour to 9 AM. Okay. For a duration of 1 hour and off, we save and create a new one. Let's say apps to boost your sales, which will be given by Michael. We create. In which location? Let's say in the meeting room, and we create this new location. It will be given on the same day, but on 11 AM for a duration of 1 hour. Let's create the last track, apps to run your business, which will be given by Isabel. We create. In the meeting room too, on the same date, but at 1 AM for a duration of 2 hours. We can save and close. We have 2 sponsors and 3 tracks. As we have many tracks, we can activate the multiple tracks to show them on our web page. We will also activate the dedicated menu to see what it does, and then we will deactivate it, deactivate it to see the consequences. Now we can save. We see the track counts updated to 3 because we have 3 different tracks. We can go to our website, and from there we can see the events page. If we click on register, we have our registration product, the free tickets, the catering tickets. Here there is 1, and for this there is 10. If we click on agenda, we can see the tracks scheduled, in which room they are scheduled, and the time they are scheduled for. If we go to talks, we have the same data, but by clicking on the introduction, we can now define each tracks page. For instance, let's click on edit and insert a text area. We can also define, provide some information about the speaker. Let's add the text area, move all this and say a professional public speaker with more than 12 years experience in IT communication. And we can save this. As you can see, we have a date, the duration, the main location, the speaker, and the presentation of the event. We'll save this, and we can publish this event so that if we surf to this page as a normal visitor, we can see its details, John Doe, the description. We can also navigate to the register page, to the agenda, the only one published here, the talks. We can see only the ones published, the location, and the introduction. Now we can go back to our system and open the other tracks to publish them as well. Here we have a Kanban view in which we can simply drag and drop each track to put it in a state, for instance in published state. This one is not published yet. This one too. The last one was published. Let's come back to the Kanban view. We will move this one in the unknown state and that one in the confirmed state. This is for management purposes only. Now let's go to the website and refresh, and then navigate to this event page as a normal visitor and go to the agenda. Now we can see all the 3 tracks scheduled because all of them are now published.